Yo, let's cut the BS. You think the world's gonna hand you success on a silver platter? Think again. Here's the cold, hard truth you need tattooed on your eyelids. No one cares. They don't care about your excuses, your sob stories, your one-day dreams. The only thing that gets noticed? Results. And results come from one damn thing: working harder. If you're tired of being invisible, of feeling like your potential is locked in a vault, then listen up. This is your wake-up call. The unvarnished truth: your struggle is your battle. Let's face it, the world is a noisy place. Everyone's got their own problems, their own mountains to climb. Your struggles? They're yours. Your dreams? They're yours to fight for. Waiting for someone to magically recognize your brilliance? You'll be waiting a long damn time. Complaining about your circumstances? Guess what? Millions have it worse. Feeling sorry for yourself? It burns 0 calories and gets you 0 results. The universe doesn't owe you anything. Your success, your happiness, your damn life. It's on you. The fuel of frustration, turn it into fire. Feeling overlooked? Good. Let that sting. Let that frustration fuel your fire. Every time you feel that pang of no one cares, let it be a reminder. A reminder that the only way to make them care is to make them care. By building something undeniable. By achieving something they can't ignore. That feeling of being unseen. It's temporary. It's the darkness before the dawn of your own damn making. Don't let it crush you. Let it ignite you. The power of relentless effort, your secret weapon. So, what's the antidote to no one cares? It's simple, but it ain't easy. Work harder. Not just a little harder. Not just when you feel like it, but relentlessly, consistently. Put in the hours when everyone else is sleeping. Grind when everyone else is making excuses. Study when everyone else is scrolling. That relentless effort, that's your secret weapon. It compounds. It builds momentum. It eventually becomes undeniable. Results speak volumes. Make them listen without a word. Forget shouting from the rooftops. Forget begging for attention. Let your results do the talking. Build that business. Create that art. Master that skill. Achieve that physique. When you put in the damn work, the world starts to notice. Your success becomes your microphone. Your achievements become your undeniable statement. That's when no one cares flips to, how did you do that? Your time is now. Stop waiting. Start grinding. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for someone to believe in you. Believe in yourself. Bet on yourself. The time to start putting in that relentless work. It's not tomorrow. It's not Monday. It's right freaking now. Every single minute you waste is another minute someone else is outworking you, proving the no one cares mantra true. Don't let that be your story. Prove them wrong. Work harder. So, you feel like no one cares? Good. Use it. Let it drive you. Let it fuel your ambition. The only way to silence that feeling, the only way to make the world sit up and take notice, is to put in the damn work. Work harder than you ever thought possible. Prove them wrong. Prove yourself right. Now go out there and make them care. Your time starts now.